Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to back up data in Telegram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up the Telegram application. Then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap where it says Data and Storage. After that, you'll see a section called Automatic Media Download, and you have two options: using cellular and using Wi-Fi. First, tap on where it says Using Cellular and then toggle this on. Auto-download media. Once you toggled it on, make sure to set the data usage to high, and at the bottom you'll see types of media: photos, videos, and files. You have to increase the download limit of these, otherwise larger files won't. It's safe to do that. First, tap on Videos, and then move the slider all the way to the right, or 1.5 gigabytes maximum video size. After that, go back and tap Files, and you also want to move the slider for this one to 1.5 gigabytes as well. Once you've done that, go back and tap where it says Using Wi-Fi, and then make sure to toggle on Auto Download Media. After that, set the data usage to high, and then you have to increase the download limit as well. Just tap where it says Videos and move the slider all the way to the right, then go back and tap Files. Now move the slider for this one as well. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.